Hi everybody and welcome back to Journal with Laura. For today's journaling practice, I want to share with you guys my favorite prompts and routines to really create the self-discipline to stick to your habits. Because I feel like especially now with the new year, we all have new habits that we want to implement, but we often really fall off them very, very quickly because we are not removing the mental blocks and the old yucky mindsets that are still in our mind that are causing our bad habits and that are causing us to not implement new habits. So this journaling routine is really great to do on a regular basis to really train your mind to rewire and to reprogram to your new habits so that you can successfully achieve your 2020 goals. So grab your journal, grab a pen, and let's get started. Okay, so the first thing you have to do is you have to obviously pick a habit that you want to focus on for this journaling exercise, because I definitely think it's much easier to implement habit by habit and not to just put in 10 new habits into your life. So pick one that you think makes the biggest difference in your life. And then I want you to visualize. So it is 1 year from now, right? It's January 2021, and you have been doing your new habit every single day. You're so on top of your game, you just have your life together, you're doing your habit every day, it's so easy, it's so fun. How do you feel now? How is your life different? How has it improved your life? Has it changed anything? Has it changed maybe relationships with your friends and family? Has it changed how you show up in your career? Has it helped you to achieve your goals? And I want you to think about that, and I want you to write that down in present tense, in I, now, blah, 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 right? Now that I've done this habit for 1 year, Now you really want to go through every area of your life or every area that this habit will influence and think about, how will it change, right? How will it improve? And also, if you struggle to come up with a lot of answers, that is completely normal, right? Because you have to train your brain to come up with those answers and to dig deeper, right? So whenever you are struggling to come up with an answer, always ask yourself, what else? What else? What else? And just keep on writing, right? You just keep on brain dumping everything onto paper. Constantly ask, what else? What else is coming up? Okay, if you still need a little bit of time, then feel free to pause this video here. I'm just gonna move on now. So the second journaling prompt that we're gonna ask ourselves is, how are you feeling now? How am I feeling now? Like really focusing in on the feeling, because feelings are really what drive our behavior, right? It's often not our rational thinking, it's our feelings, right? And once we have those feelings, we don't really need the rational discipline and the forcing ourselves, because it's something that we want from the inside out, if that makes any sense. So now that your life looks exactly how you wrote down right now that it's changed in such a positive way, how does that make you feel? Do you feel more excited, more motivated, more guided, more inspired, more clear, less stressed, right? How are you feeling? And again, if you just come up with, I will feel more happy, then really think about what else? What else is coming up? Are you feeling, for example, I wrote down guided, connected, aligned, impactful, successful, excited, abundant, powerful, proud, in control, inspired, free. Just really think about it, right? Just push yourself. Okay, and now we want to find out how you can actually put this into action and do your habit more regularly, more easily. So we are kind of gonna connect with that version of yourself 1 year from now. So again, tap into those feelings, right? Tap into that life you would live. Really tap into that. how come that it is so easy for them to do this habit every day and really feel like this every day? How are they making it possible, right? And then you want to go into that mindset and then again write it from the first person and the present tense. So don't write like my future self, blah, 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 but write I now, do it first thing in the morning. I now have my workout clothes set out the night before every single day when I'm gonna work out. I now have a beautiful water bottle, so I drink my 3 liters of water. Whatever it is that comes up that can make your habit easier, write that down. Now that you're connected to that person, to that next level version that's already doing the habit. Also, maybe think about how you can involve people in your life to make it easier for yourself to do that habit, right? Think about who can you do it with? How can you change your morning routine? How would your night routine change? How would your daily routine change so that you do that habit every day? Like, what would have to happen for you to do that habit every single day? This lighting is totally just destroying this journaling video. Wow, that is not really professional. So now you hopefully have some inspiration on how you can make it easier for yourself to stick to your habits. Besides doing really that sort of journaling on a regular basis, I highly recommend you guys get a habit tracker. That is really definitely what helps me. And to also maybe get an accountability partner. I always think that that is super, super valuable. And also what I think is really great is to visualize. So comment down below if you want me to do like a guided visualization also on self-discipline and sticking to your habits, because there's definitely a lot of value in that. And if you do a visualization, you will probably also have an easier time to come up with those answers. But for now, comment down below if this video helped you at all and what is the habit that you want to implement. Comment down below, keep yourself accountable. And yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Share it with a friend who you might think would benefit from it, maybe your accountability partner. And I will see you guys in my next journaling video. Bye guys!